guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. In today's video, I will be making some delicious eggplant. I have been craving eggplant for a while now, so I'm super excited like always. Are you ready? Let's get started right now. Buying the right eggplant is important. Here are some things to look for when selecting an eggplant. Look for one smooth and shining. Avoid any with soft spots. The eggplant should feel firm and heavy for the size, and the stem should be green. You can cut the eggplant any size, but the smaller the better, in my opinion. After cutting the eggplant, I added a little salt and water. I will let the eggplant soak for 30 to 40 minutes. I marinated the meat overnight, and let me tell you, I should start doing this more often. Can you see the seasoning? So much flavor. Right here, I have chicken, beef, and shrimp. You can use any kind of meat. For seasoning, I added black pepper, seasoned salt, chicken bouillon, garlic and onion powder, and smoked paprika. I'm going to fry the chicken and the beef and set it aside. For meat that does not require frying, I recommend adding it to a pot with some blended onions, peppers, and water, and also seasoning. Steam the meat for 15 to 20 minutes and add it to the eggplant after it's done frying. After 30 to 40 minutes, I am squeezing the water from the eggplant and setting it aside. After frying the beef and chicken, I am adding the blended onion, garlic, and peppers. It smells so good in here. When was the last time you had fried eggplant? It's okay to leave a comment. I enjoy talking to you guys. I will add some seasoning and let this fry for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, I am adding the eggplant. I will let the eggplant fry for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, I will add a little baking soda and water. I will cover the pot, turn the stove to medium-high, and let this cook. I check on the eggplant every 5 to 15 minutes, making sure it's not burning. When half of the liquid has been evaporated, I am adding the meat to the eggplant. I adjusted the seasoning. I will let this cook till all of the liquid has been evaporated and the oil starts to settle at the top. This was the best eggplant I've ever had and ever made. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.